These 10x loupes are special because they're made with anti-reflective optical coating film that helps eliminate glare. These loupes are made with precision 22mm achromatic lenses, providing excellent color and clarity with no distortion. Choose from black, chrome, chrome and gold, or chrome and rubber. First step, you take your loupe, you will open it, you will put your index finger through this hole here. Now I'll grab my diamond, which our diamond department has graciously let us borrow. You will take your loupe, you will come up to your eye. It doesn't matter if you have glasses or not, you want to stay about an inch away. Bring your diamond up into focus. Normally it's about an inch. It may vary by each one's eyes. And make sure to keep both eyes open when you're viewing. Now you can turn the stone and inspect. That easy. Each loupe comes with a pouch for safekeeping as well as a lanyard cord to always have it nearby. Order today at Stuller.com/tools.